Selling a home in a shifting market means it's especially important to prepare for showings ahead of time. So we've put together some tips for you to help you get top dollar. First things first, you want the home to be spotlessly clean, and you'll want to declutter and depersonalize. That doesn't mean you want the home to be bare, but you're going to thoughtfully select the items that will remain. Next thing, you want the home to be light and bright. That means opening all of the window coverings and turning on all of the lights. Then think about, how will a buyer experience your home with all of their senses? Maybe have some light music playing. Think about the temperature. Is it comfortable? The buyer walks in on a scorching hot day and it's pleasantly air conditioned. That could be a plus. Then the smell. Breathe deep. Are there any odors of pets or maybe what you made for dinner last night? If so, open all the windows to let fresh air in. And if you're going to use scented candles or air fresheners, choose something with a light scent that won't be overpowering. And think about accessibility and availability. How easy or difficult is it for buyers and their agents to schedule a showing of your home? If there are really limited windows of time, or they have to schedule 24 to 48 hours in advance, that could discourage showings. When you have showings scheduled, you'll want to make sure that you're gone and your pets are gone. We've put together a whole guide that will walk you through the process of preparing your home room by room with super specific suggestions. I'll include a link below so that you can access that guide. And if you have any questions for me, please reach out. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty, and this is the latest video in our series called Selling with Shannon. If you found the information helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in this series and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on the future videos. Thanks for watching.